Hey guys, in this video, we are going to see how to add Google Drive to File Explorer on a Windows PC so you can access your cloud files directly from Windows just like any other folder. To do that, we will need a web browser. In the address bar, type drive.google.com and press enter. Once you land on Google Workspace page, scroll down just a little bit, and when you reach these navigation options, click on Download. From there, click on Download Drive for Desktop. This will take you to the Google Drive Help Center page. Scroll down a little more, and you'll find Install Google Drive for Desktop section. Expand Windows option, then click on Download for Windows button right here, and the installer will start downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this file might take a moment, so just wait for it to finish. Once download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate Installer file. Then, double-click on Installer to open the setup window. If you'd like a desktop shortcut as well, turn on this option and then click Install. There we go, Google Drive has been successfully installed. You can go ahead and launch it right from here and then click on Get Started. And at this point, you'll need to sign in first. Just log in with your Gmail account credentials. Great, the account has been signed in successfully. You can also choose folders you want to sync automatically from your computer to Google Drive, but for now, you can skip this step if you prefer. Now, if you go back to File Explorer, you'll see that Google Drive has been added to the navigation pane on the left side and also appears in the Contents pane under Devices and Drives, just like any other drive on your computer. So that's how you can easily add Google Drive to File Explorer on your Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.